This has nothing to do with real estate. Trust me. This is the seller's disclosures. SPDS. Spuds. Wait, I need to go to the whiteboard. It'll be much easier to explain like that. Give me a second. Here we go. Okay, you ready? I have a lesson here. If I don't kill myself in the meantime. Okay, so Spuds, SPDS, seller's property disclosures. That's what you want to look for, okay? So what are they? What does it mean? Okay. It's the most important, or one of the most important documents that you could ever see. So don't drop the ball on this one. All right, so this is what you're going to look for. When your agent sends this over to you, make sure you look for the following things. I'm going to stand off to the side here so you guys can see it. Or maybe I'll push back. Let's push back a little bit. How's that? Much better. Repairs. What kind of repairs? When did they do the repairs? Do they have the receipts for the repairs? How bad were the repairs? Did they have to call their insurance company for the repairs? Because that would be a big repair. Okay, next, roof